Very good morning, my friends. How are you? Hope you guys are doing very well, and welcome on this new midweek analysis video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Me and Angela, we are having the full right to be very proud and happy, and of course very excited about our results in the Premium Forex Signals group on Telegram. We are doing really so well, and as you can see, my friends, these are the results of today, and of course there is more. As you can see, Pound CAD has reached 100 pips of profit. Take profit number 3. Pound CAD again 50 pips of profit, and as you can see, these are all the results of today. I'm scrolling right in front of you. I'm not hiding anything at all. As you can see, these are the results of Tuesday, and right here are the results of Monday. Please take a look at this, my friends. As you can see, only one signal sadly yesterday has hit the stop loss. However, we have recovered with huge profits from the other signals. I mean, I believe this is very outstanding, and it's very good signal service so far. And again, guys, we are really back on our feet, and we are finally receiving lots of messages from our happy clients. Now, of course, there is one topic here which is really annoying. Some members saying, why is the free signals is not working well? Guys, actually, it's not really in our hand. These, by the way, are the signals that we're running. As you can see, these are the signals from the premium group. Meanwhile, sadly, the one that we have unfortunately sent on the free group, we had to close it with 20 pips of loss. This is sad part for those who are depending only on the free signal. But if you are using the premium service, as you can see, you could have recovered with all these profits that we have made for our clients. Guys, please understand, my intention, of course, or our purpose of the of the free signal is to promote our signal service. And sadly, if this happens when we close the free signal in loss, it's not good for us. I know that. But however, it's just really a bad luck. And it's really annoying me when the free signal sadly closes in loss. And I believe we have right now, yes, this is a new message that we have just received right now while I'm talking to you. Angela has just posted this, as you can see, my friends, this time 12:14 a.m. And right now it is indeed 12:14 a.m. Yes, Angela has just posted this one while we are talking, and the members are happy. The results of my last 7 trades. Thank you so much. So indeed, I'm very happy and very proud of our signals. And again, hoping this week is gonna end is gonna end in a very good and decent profit. So of course, if you wish to join Extreme Trader Forex Signals group, please contact our support. You can find their contact details in the description below this video. Contact them today, and hopefully we will see you there. Okay, my friends, so let's now move to the midweek analysis, and let's see our options and what are the setups that are waiting for us for the remaining days of this week. But however, let's talk about what happened today. Today, the market actually for the past 8 hours has actually went in a very high volatility movement. And as you can see, literally all of the pairs have been affected by this high movement, by this high volatility movement that has actually hit the entire Forex market. Literally all of the pairs have been affected. Look at that. I'm just switching between all of them. None of them is out of this game. The entire Forex market has been affected. And if I'm not mistaken, this is related for so many events, such as the OPEC meetings and the fact that they haven't reached an agreement yet. And I believe also the ISM services PMIs from the United States, it has actually also made an impact on the market, and for that reason we see so many high volatility movements, and the market is actually now going crazy. But however, I believe we can still make some analysis, and we just need to be sure what's actually waiting for us for the remaining days of this week. So let's just check the events and see what's waiting for us. Today Wednesday, actually, we're going to have the FOMC meeting minutes, and usually these news might affect the market, depends of course on the outcome. So let's prepare for that. 10 p.m. Dubai time and 6 p.m. GMT time. Then next day, Thursday, I really don't think is anything going to happen, except maybe for the G20 meetings. Maybe we have to pay attention for that. It actually might cause the market to go in high volatility depending on what is going to happen. Then Friday, we will have the unemployment rate news on the CAD pairs at 4:30 p.m. Dubai time and 12:30 p.m. GMT time. So please, my friends, be careful. Friday, the market is going to be high in volatility. And of course, the outcome of these news right here might change some of the signals that I'm going to give you right now on this video. So I'm just, it's like you can say disclosure or Yeah, it's like a disclaimer that I'm not taking any responsibility for what will gonna happen. The market might go in high volatility, it might go crazy, so we have to be prepared and careful. And always, whenever, my friends, you open any trade in your life, not only now because of Extreme Trader giving you the advice, in your entire life, whenever you open any single trade, always make sure that you are investing an amount in this deal. Never open a trade and just hope for the best. For example, if you, I said that a million times, if you have, for example, $3,000 in your account, once you want to open a trade for Euro USD as for sell, make sure that how much you're going to invest in this deal. I'm going to invest, for example, $100 on this deal. So make sure that you place your stop loss to be exactly on $100 only. So you know you will never lose more than that. Never come to me telling me that my account has been margin called. Never come to me and tell me you have wiped my account. I wiped my account because I listened to your advice. Never ever do that. You are a trader. You are responsible for your choices. You are responsible for your options. So of course, be careful, my friends, and every single trade, just place the stop loss and just hope for the best about your choice. Don't just open the trade and say, okay, I'm hoping for the best. It's either you live only once, or YOLO, as they say. You only live once. So let me just put the entire amount on this deal and hoping for the best. I want to be rich in just 1 hour. That's sadly not gonna work, I'm telling you. Anyway, let's now discuss our options in the EURUSD. EURUSD, my friends, as you can see, this was the signal that we have sent on Saturday. The market has actually reached my entry level and reversed just 2.6 pips before reaching my entry level. I'm not sure if I can take any credit for this signal, but however, the market has reached only reversed 2.6 pips before reaching the entry level and went in total of 45 pips before the market goes in high volatility again upon this news that has actually hit the market. Now, what's going to happen next? I believe we have to change the signal. The reason is, let me just delete the old signal. The market actually has finally made the full breakout from the level 1.18485. This was a very long-term support, and the market actually was supposedly to break out, to reverse from this level after seeing the spin bar. And sadly, upon this news that happened recently, that has hit the market, we can see right here the strong bearish candle, which actually means that the pair has managed finally to break out of that level. So we have to expect right now from the EURUSD to continue the fall. Now, of course, we're analyzing on the daily chart. Let me now move back to the 4-hour time frame. Now, if I'm not mistaken, right here we are having a previous support level right here, my friends, on the 4-hour time frame. And right now the EURUSD has actually reversed upon the pressure from the support zone on 1.18135. Now we can expect from the EURUSD to continue the rise again, and we have to wait for the right moment to start shorting. We are now playing with the candle price action. Now we have to wait to see what will gonna happen once the market reaches that level of the previous resistance right here and retesting the broken support level on 1.18516. Now it's just a game of waiting the price action. Wait to see how the market is gonna react to this level. If you see the market actually making a bullish breakout candle from this level, then we have to switch the order from the sell to the buy. However, with this strong movement and the current price action that we currently have, this price action, my friend, or this actually structure, usually indicates a continuation in the fall. And therefore, I believe that the EURUSD is actually going to start the fall right after reaching this previous support level on 1.18550. And personally, I think I'm going to place sell order once I see the market touches this level right here, and my stop loss is going to be placed right here before the resistance level, and my target will be right here below that support level. And I think even more than that, if we look at the daily chart, let's go back to the daily chart, we can expect from the EURUSD to continue the fall all the way to revisit the same support zone level on 1.17588, which means we can expect to make about 92 pips profit from shorting the EURUSD. However, we can even extend this profit to be right here at the absolute level, lowest level of the support, which means we can expect about 109 pips of profit only if hopefully the pair is going to reverse right from that level. So therefore, our new signal for the EURUSD is going to be 1.18516, and the stop loss, as I mentioned before, is going to be right here above the resistance level. So we can make it right here, just above the resistance level. So it's going to be 46 pips only, and really hopefully it's going to be a good one. Let me just draw for you the edge of the safe zone. Yep, just like that. And for our take profit, let me go back to the daily chart. Our take profit level, my friends, will be right here. Take profit at 1.17428. So there goes our signal for the EURUSD. And again, my friends, don't enter the trade immediately. Don't set any pending orders. Just wait and just be patient. Wait to see how the market is going to react to this level. And if you see any strength, bearish momentum happens and the market is unable to break out or actually exceed that level of 1.18516, then proceed with the sell order, and we are just expecting it to be actually in a good profit. So there goes your signal for the EURUSD. Hopefully it will work very well and bring us lots of profits. Let's now take a look at the pound USD. Pound USD also is facing right now a very strong bearish momentum after seeing this, what we can call a fake breakout has happened right here. These two candles represents a fake breakout. Therefore, the pound USD is actually now reversing or making a pullback upon the resistance level, the previous support level right here on 1.37840. So we have to change the old signal. Or you know something? Let me tell you something. If you guys have placed any buy order right here for the pound USD, you can keep it. But however, do something different. What you will do is, my friends, is you're gonna keep the trade running until it hit this previous resistance exactly right here. So you can expect to make about 30 pips of profit before we have to switch from the buy order to a sell order. And as I mentioned before, these two fake breakout candles indicates that most likely the market is going to actually respect that resistance level. So we can expect this resistance to keep its position again as a resistance. So as I mentioned before, after the market finish the pullback, it's going to be good for the short again at 1.38346 and keep the trade running at least till it hit the lowest level of the support at 1.373765. So we can expect to make about I would say about 100 pips of profit from shorting the pound USD. Therefore, sell the pound USD at 1.38346. And the target will be, my friends, right here, the lowest level of the support, which means we are looking for about exactly 102 pips profit. Hopefully gonna be a very good profit for everyone. Take profit 1.37325. And of course, regarding the safe zone should be ranging right here till the peak of the resistance. So we are talking about, let me just make it shorter than that. Yes, that should be fine. So the safe zone will be ranging for 50 pips only, which is again good and fair enough. There goes your signal for the pound USD. Hopefully it will work very well and bring us lots of profits. Let's now take a look at the AUDUSD. Now, AUDUSD signal is now ranging inside the safe zone, but however, please pay attention. The AUDUSD signal has actually reached, I think, our buy level. I mean, yeah, just reversed. Guys, come on, give me this, guys. Come on, give me this. It reversed just 1 pip before reaching my entry level. And I will take the credit and I will say, yes, it has been triggered. Because 1 pip, I think it's really, you have to be justice with me. Guys, come on, don't be, whatever. Just don't do this to me, guys. It's just 1 pip. And the pair has went in 90 pips of profit. And reversed exactly from the take profit level. So I believe it was one perfect signal. If only it reaches touch the buy order level. Anyway, I think it's a good signal and I will take the credit for it. So let's now see what will gonna happen next with the AUDUSD. Right now, the AUDUSD has actually made the bearish breakout from that resistance level right here at 0.75367, and I believe the pair, very similar to the previous two pairs, is reversing right now upon the pressure from the support zone right here on 0.74800. So we have to wait for the pullback to finish as well, and again sell on the same level when that resistance, keep its position again as a resistance, and then we can actually keep the trade running till it hits the lowest level of the support as 0.4515. Therefore, AUDUSD is good for the short as 0.75367, and we can keep the trade running till it hit the lowest level of the support, which means we are aiming about 91 pips profit from this deal. So therefore, take profit level 0.74451. And regarding the edge of the safe zone, of course, it has to be ranging right here till the peak of the resistance. So we're talking about 48 pips only, which is again fair enough. There goes your signal for the AUDUSD, and hopefully it will work very well and bring us lots of profits. USDCAD. As you can see, USDCAD has actually exceeded by many pips the sell order, and actually it was going well. It was really going well. This is, my friends, the signal on 5th of July, which means it has been triggered already, and the market has actually respected the analysis, as I can see, and the market has, USDCAD has went in approximately 38 pips of profit before the ISMP and my news hit the market, and of course the OPEC meetings hit the market and changed the whole outcome of this analysis, and of course caused the USDCAD to rise above the level of the resistance on 1.24050. However, we can see that the market has actually eventually failed to break out from the long-term resistance on 1.24865. That resistance is holding its position since more than a month. So therefore, we can see that the market is right now getting ready for another rally. So we don't expect from the USDCAD to fall at the moment. What I'm expecting is the USDCAD is actually going to continue the fall till it reaches the nearest support to the level, and actually gonna be good for the buy right on 1.24219, and then we can keep the trade running till it actually exceeds this level of the resistance. If I'm not mistaken, this is what will gonna happen. And again, my friends, if we look at the daily chart, we can see right here that we had a long-term resistance trend line, and the market eventually, as you can see, has been able to make the bullish breakout from that resistance trend line. So what we are going right now to do is trading the retest. Now, most likely, again, this is daily candle, and the market is going to expire in just 14 minutes. So not the market, I mean the candle, sorry. The candle is going to expire in just 14 minutes, which means the new candle most likely is going to be a new bearish candle, which is going to fall right here to retest the level of the previous resistance trend line and to create a new support trend line. So therefore, here exactly, we can start buying the USDCAD and hoping for the best, because if that happens, oh my God, we are looking for a good profits, because most likely it means that the USDCAD is going to continue to rise till it hit the resistance on 1.26330. So USDCAD should be good for the buy at 1.24219. And if that happens, my friends, if the signal was valid, we're looking for a big profit, big score, and we can expect from the market to rise for 198 pips. But however, I always like to be honest with my audience. So therefore, let me just place a more realistic target. I'm going to select this resistance right here, because I think definitely if the market reverses if the market reverses on that resistance level, then we can expect from the market to rise for 110 pips. And that is actually a more realistic level, because as I mentioned, this week we're having multiple, so a number of news that might actually change the results, especially the unemployment rate on Friday. It might actually cause this signal to fail or to exceed the take profit level. We are not sure yet, of course, until that happens. So 25351 is our target for the USDCAD. And since we are depending on the retest of the broken resistance trend line, then let me just set my stop loss to, or the edge of the safe zone to be just right here, as most likely this is going to be the level. If the market ever gonna fall below this resistance level, it might actually go right here just to make a small a long tail before it's gonna continue the rise. So this should be the maximum level for the pair to go down before it actually started to reverses. So therefore it should be about 58 pips, and again I think it's fair enough and very good one. Let me just set the buy order right here. So there goes your signal for the USDCAD, and hopefully also it will work very well and bring us lots of profits. Let's now look at the USDJPY, which has been really a good boy so far. And I mean really a good boy, because the pair has respected the resistance level right here perfectly fine, and the pair has reversed exactly on the sell order I have mentioned on 111.119. As you can see, the reversal has happened exactly on that level. So therefore, currently USDJPY is running in 50 pips of profit. Now, what can we expect next from the USDJPY for those who have not yet entered this signal? What you can do, my friends, is just place another sell order exactly right here if the market has actually reversed on that previous support level. Why? Because actually right now the market has reached right here a strong support zone. As we can see, this is 110.520 has been acting as actually as a strong support level. So we can expect from the USDJPY to reverse for another 20 pips or 19 pips before it's going to be valid for another short. So therefore, for those who did not enter this signal, you can make a new sell. I'm going to make it in small font. Sell, actually, you know something? Sell again at 110.807. If in case, guys, you have missed this entry, and of course the safe zone for this one has to be along with this one right here. Of course, it sucks. I know it's not good because it's gonna be 80 pips, but however, guys, this is what I can do. You know something? Let me change it. I mean, it's not really fair. Let me just tell you something. You can make your edge of the safe zone just till the original sell order, because most likely the USDJPY can't exceed this level of the key resistance level at 111.119. And I believe this is going to be the level where the market might reach the maximum, and after that it's going to definitely reverse. Therefore, you can consider this as your edge of the safe zone. Please draw it exactly as I have done right here on my chart. And of course, we can keep the target, the same target, of course, 100 pips of profit at this lowest level of the support at 109.800. So there goes your signal for the USDJPY, and hopefully also it will work very well and bring us lots of profits. Let's now take a look at the USDCHF. USDCHF actually has changed the direction. As you can see, my friends, please pay attention. USDCHF signal was going perfectly fine in the profit on Monday. As you can see, this one is on 5th of July. The USDCHF has went in total of about, I would say, 38 pips of profit before the ISM-PM news hit the market again and changed the whole outcome of the signal. However, now what's going to happen next is that the market has finally made the bullish breakout from that long-term resistance on 0.92311. And if I'm not mistaken, USDCHF is going to make another pullback, retesting the broken level of the resistance, and again, upon the pressure from the strength that the USD has gained, most likely the USDCHF is going to continue the rise till it hit at least the highest level of the resistance. Again, we're analyzing on the 4-hour time frame, so we can expect to make actually more than that. Let me just go back to the daily chart. And let me just tell you, this price action usually indicates a bullish reversal or a continuation in the bullish reversal. So therefore, by the way, you can see it almost right here, the same one, of course, vice versa. If you see this price action on a resistance level, then you can expect from the market to break out from the resistance and continue the fall, and therefore we can do the same right here. And after seeing the price action has appeared, we can expect from the USDCHF to continue the rise. And this now let me just tell me, guys, sorry, I mean, okay, come on, guys. It's almost 1 a.m. and I really need to sleep. I really need to sleep, by the way. I'm just, because I respect my audience and I respect my followers here, I just really need to make this video before I sleep. And I have already done the analysis 1 hour ago, and right now I'm actually giving it to you. So please don't mind me if there was any mistakes or whatever. Just let me just tell you that we can start again buying the USDCHF after it falls for another 14 pips. And let me just tell you right here, buy the USDCHF at 0.92311. And of course, if that happens, we are looking for the market to continue the rise till it reaches the nearest resistance level for our entry, because this was right now this is gonna be a new support. So if that happens, if we place the buy order right here, we can keep the trade running till it hit the nearest resistance level, which is right here. And that means we are looking for about 90 pips, hopefully gonna be a very good and decent profit. So therefore, take profit level 0.93188. And of course, as I mentioned, because we are depending on that price action, therefore the safe zone should be ranging just below the, or exactly at the lowest level of the support. So meaning the safe zone will be ranging, guys, only for 40 pips and no more. That's the beautiful thing about the USDCHF. So there goes your signal for this pair, and hopefully also it will work very well and bring us lots of profits. Now let's check the gold, which has been really tricky today, because as we can see right here, I have mentioned that we can start shorting the gold at 1797.90, and as we can see, the gold has been ranging exactly inside the safe zone. And by the way, I need to mention something, that I really feel sorry for those who are placing a stop loss exactly at the edge of the safe zone. Guys, the edge of the safe zone is never a stop loss, because actually when I wrote this when I made this safe zone right here, it wasn't randomly placed. I mean, I was looking right here at that resistance level, which has been previously a support level, and most likely the market, if the market is ever not going to be able to reverse at that resistance at 1797, it might actually go up and reverse exactly on 1813. So it's not really a stop loss, my friends. As long as the pair is running in the safe zone, the signal is valid. And you can close it on loss only if the pair has actually managed to exceed the safe zone. So, however, what happened today? The market has reversed exactly at the edge of the safe zone. As you can see, it has exceeded it with only 17 pips, which is really nothing for the gold. And right now, let me just move to the 1 hour time frame. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, what we can see right here, you know something? Let me go back to the 4 hour time frame so I can show it to you. What we see right here, my friends, is a fake breakout. This is not Facebook. This is a fake breakout. So most likely, and usually what happens is the market is going to go against the direction of the fake breakout. So what's going to happen next, in my opinion, we need to look at the previous strong support levels and place our trades right there when the market revisits that previous support level. Now let me move to the 1 hour time frame so I can show it to you. 1 second. Yes. So as we can see, this is, my friends, the previous strong key support level, and most likely the gold is going to reach this level. And if I'm not mistaken, and hopefully really I'm right, this is going to be a fantastic level to start again shorting the gold. And the target will be right here, the support level right here on 1779.70, because this level is critical in my opinion. And as long, let me just show you right here, exactly right here, yes, 1779. Okay, yeah, I actually was looking at the 1 hour time frame and I missed it. Anyway, no, it's right here, my friends, because this has actually been a very strong resistance level and it has become a support. So most likely if we started shorting the gold right from that level, this is gonna be at least our target. And I think the pair eventually gonna reach this support level at 1784. and therefore we can expect to make from this trade about 175 pips. Meanwhile, let's keep the safe zone as it is. I mean, yeah, you guys are expecting more profit, but however, I'm trying to narrow my options because, as I told you, this week will be loaded with the news, and we have to be careful to not keep the trades running for a really long time. I mean, I know you guys you like to aim about 300, 400 pips from the gold, but however, I also want to be realistic and honest with my members. So therefore, I'm just giving them the signal that we can start shorting this the gold right here, and the target will be right here at the previous support level on 1784.64, and the safe zone will be just right here above the, let me just make it above the resistance level like that, so it won't confuse anyone. So there goes your analysis for this week, my friends. And oh shit, let me just delete the old ones so they won't confuse you. Yeah, perfect. So there goes your signals for this remaining days of this week. And again, I really hope it's gonna be a very profitable week, my friends. And personally, I'm looking to make a lots of profits, especially trading the pound USD, and I think which one? AUDUSD, pound USD. Yes, these two I'm gonna focus on. These two, I believe I can make good profits with them, and hopefully I will make a recording of the live trading video if I catch a good moment for these two pairs. And of course, don't forget the gold. But again, I'm telling you, please pay extra careful when you are, my friends, trading the gold. Sorry for the very long video, but I just wanted to be sure I'm going in the details. So in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.